Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make broth ramen. First, select a high-quality broth, either store-bought or homemade, as it forms the foundation of your dish. Next, choose your preferred ramen noodles, whether fresh or dried, and gather your favorite toppings like sliced pork, a soft-boiled egg, and chopped green onions. This easy method prioritizes quick assembly for a satisfying meal. Begin by gently heating about 2 cups of your chosen broth in a saucepan until it reaches a light simmer. While the broth warms, cook your ramen noodles separately in boiling water, following the package instructions precisely. This usually takes between 2 and 3 minutes. Drain the noodles well, ensuring they are perfectly al dente for that ideal ramen texture. Now it's time to assemble your delicious ramen bowl. Carefully transfer the drained, cooked noodles into a large, deep bowl. Next, pour the hot, simmering broth directly over the noodles, ensuring they are fully submerged. Finally, artfully arrange your pre-prepared toppings, such as sliced pork, a soft-boiled egg, and green onions on top of the noodles and broth. To personalize your ramen, consider adding a dash of soy sauce or a spoonful of miso paste for an extra layer of umami flavor. You can also garnish your bowl with a sprinkle of sesame seeds, a drizzle of chili oil for a little kick, or a sheet of nori. Serve your easy broth ramen immediately and enjoy the comforting, rich flavors you've created at home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.